Art Junkie. I'm here to do my hashtag Tea Tuesday. Got my little cup full of coffee though. Well, I've had a busy week. I have that. My needles, I don't know what they're doing there. I was doing some work, I guess. Ooh, these are nice. Put those there. Okay, so what we're gonna do, like I do every Tea Tuesday. I was looking for this too, and I couldn't find it. Where's my? Never mind. I'm talking to myself. Let's pick a card. Pick a card. Card today. Oh, meditation. It's a good thing to do. Meditation. Okay. So, let's read from the Journey to the Heart. What is the date today? Sorry, guys. January 24th. Stay in the present moment. Stay in the present moment. That's where you find life's magic. How overwhelmed we feel when we anticipate the future. All that needs doing, all the tasks, the work, the potential problems, the responsibilities. How tired we become when we dwell on what we've done already, energy we've expended, and the imperfect results. Yes, sometimes to stay in the present, we need to visit the past, to clear out our old feeling, to heal an old limiting belief. But that visit can be brief, and sometimes we need to think about the future, to make commitments, to plan, to envision where we want to go. But to linger there can cause unrest. It can spoil the moment we're in now. Stay in the present moment, and the past and the future will fall naturally and easily into place. Stay in the present moment, and the magic will return. It's a good book, eh? So, I have had a busy week. Like I said, I'll show you where I'm at with my crocheting. This is my daughter's blanket. So, we get, this long and this wide. It's coming along. I've done one of these balls so far, so I'm on my second ball with this one. And there, my mother's, I'm just waiting on another ball to be delivered. All this one done here. So that's 2 balls done. And I'm just waiting for the next one. That being said, I need some rest. My arms are hurting me. So I put in the beginning of my video a bunch of things I did this week. Some cards, some little clusters I made with these things. I made some cards, I did some crocheting, I made some clusters, I made some ATCs. What a busy week. Busy week. This week's going to be busy too. I have a live tomorrow. I think what I'm going to do is work in this journal here. I've decided after looking at things. I like this journal, it's fun. I did this last week on a live. I think I'm going to make a little tag here with this guy here. So that should be fun. And what else is happening in my life? So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow for live on Wednesday. 4th Art Saturday is this weekend, so that's a video hop hosted by Mary at the Mary Atelier. This month the subject is fabric. So I think I'm gonna make a little start anyways, a little fabric art piece. You know what Sue Hiles makes? Little things that she hangs up in her living room. Sue, it's coming your way. She's been asking me to make one. So I'm gonna start on one of those for Fourth Art Saturday. Friday is a collaboration with Sue Hiles Art. And Saturday, I do my usual Saturday shoutouts and my live at 2 o'clock. So maybe what I'll do on my live on Saturday is finish up the sewing of that, because people will see the beginning of it for Saturday art, and then they can watch the rest of it on my live. Sounds like a good plan, eh? That's what we're gonna do. So Sunday I always visit my mother, and I can't wait till I get that other ball of yarn so I can bring her blanket. She's gonna be so happy. My mother is 94 years old and she lives in a long-term care home, and she's got dementia, but she's sweet. Oh, she's so sweet. She's like a little 4-year-old little girl. She's so adorable. I love visiting her. I've always loved spending time with her. It's always, been me, my daughter, and my mother. We're always very close, the three of us. It's very hard for my daughter to visit her. She just has a really hard time with it. I keep harassing her, but, what can you do? In any case, I think that's about it for me. Hope you guys are having good weeks, productive weeks. And I will see you tomorrow on my live. Take care, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.